Hi and welcome to the second part of the linear equations revision. This relates to question 2, from the revision sheet that I handed out in my class. Now, this question here, we're looking at some word questions. We have to firstly write an equation for them, and we have to solve the equation. So in this case here, if 8 is added to a number, the result is 15. So a number, we need to call that something, and for convenience we can call it x. We could call it anything we really wanted to. Now if we've got 8 is added to the number, that's going to be x plus 8. And then it says the result, that's equals, is 15, so equals 15. So firstly, that's our equation written. Now we need to solve the equation, so we're working with our inverse operations. We've got x plus 8 there. The opposite of plus 8 will be take away 8, so we need to take away 8 from both sides. So I'm going to rewrite this as x plus 8 take away 8 is equal to 15. Take away 8. Now the plus 8 and the take away 8 cancel each other out, equals 0. And we're left with x will be equal to 15 take away 8 will be 7. So that's our answer. Let's move on to the next one. If 20 is subtracted from a number, the result is 30. So again, we've got our number. In this case, I'll call it y. We could have called it x, we could have called it anything. So we've got y if 20 is subtracted from. So subtracted from y, it's going to be y take away 20. And then it says the result. So result is equal. Result is 30. So that's our equation. Y take away 20 is equal to 30. Now we need to do our reverse operations. So we're taking away 20, so the reverse of that's plus 20. So we need to plus 20 to both sides. So we're going to have y minus 20 plus 20 equals 30 plus 20. And on the left hand side here, our minus 20 and plus 20 will cancel each other out, leaving us with y alone, and 30 plus 20 is 50. That's the answer to the second one. Let's move on to the next one. Twice a certain number is 16. So our certain number, I'll call this a certain number is x. Twice a certain number is 2x. So twice a certain number is 16, so that's equals 16. So that's our equation. Now to solve the equation, we'll do our reverse operations. We've got 2x, so 2 times x. Opposite of that is divide by 2, so I'm going to divide both sides by 2. On the left hand side, the 2's cancel down, leaving us with one lot of x. And that will be equal to 16 divided by 2 is 8. And that's our answer for that one. Let's move on to the next one. We have 3 times a certain number, so our certain number, we'll call that x. 3 times a certain number is 3x is equal to 5 more than twice the number. So 5 more than twice the number, so twice the number is going to be 2x on the other side of the equals, and the 5 more is plus 5. So that's now our equation. We then need to solve the equation. And what we're going to do with this one is firstly we'll need to bring our x terms together. I'm going to look at the 2x terms, which is the smallest or most negative, and that's the 2x here, so I'm going to move that to the other side. It's a positive 2x, so the reverse operation would be to take away 2x from there, and we also need to take away 2x from the other side as well. So our plus 2x and the take 2x will cancel each other down. And that will leave us with 3x take away 2x is x is equal to, and we're left with 5 on the right hand side. So the answer to this one is x equals 5. That seemed pretty straightforward. Now, I hope that was helpful for you. Catch you next time.